it doesn't matter who won, who lost. What matters is the spirit with which all of us played here. So can we have a clap for all of us for displaying? So having said that, right, we started with a dew on the pitch and CTS strikers. The match couldn't go their way, but can I request CTS strikers owner Rajiv to come on the stage, please? So Rajiv is already on the stage. So Rajiv, how was it like to play the first match? Did the dew factor actually matter?
After looking at the remaining matches, it looks yes. But anyway, I think we played well. We could have done better.
So any areas that you want to improve on for the next tournament?
Yeah, obviously, our team
in all the areas.
play the short step.
So all the best, Rajiv. So that was Rajiv, the owner of CTS Strikers. Can we have the captain of CTS Strikers, Swanan Bade, here? He's with the trophy, but that's not for him. So Swanan, what was your experience for today?
Yeah, it's been good. We could have batted better. We lost too many wickets. I think we didn't even bat entire 10 overs, so that was a disappointing thing. Had we made like 50 or 60 runs, I'm sure we could have defended it. So anyway, congrats to PB guys. They played really well.
So that was Swanan. The next team to go out was Roaring Hawks. They played well, but somehow couldn't manage to go ahead. So can we have owner of Roaring Hawks, Shikhar, out here on the stage? He's already packed his bags and ready to go. So Shikhar, how was it like? So you didn't have the dew factor coming in place for you. So what went wrong for you?
No, but we had the sun filter. Yeah, we batted really well, but I guess like the bowling we short.
So that's one area which you look forward to improve. Thanks, Shikhar. So that was Shikhar, captain of, the owner of Roaring Hawks. Can we have Arun, the captain of Roaring Hawks, on the stage? That's Arun. So Arun, what we spoke after the match?
Happy that I spoke.
I thought with the batting he set the marker for the tournament, but it didn't.
Louder, please.
Louder.
I thought we set the marker by not setting a score of 70, but that didn't prove to be enough. And couple of disciplines didn't go our way. That was hard luck for our boys, but they played well. But everybody enjoyed it, and congrats to PB Devan.
Thanks Arun. So that was Roaring Hawks. Before we move on to the next team, we had a special cheerleader for Roaring Hawks. That was Mr. Vinod. So can we have Vinod on the stage? Vinod! So Vinod, how was it like cheering for the Roaring Hawks, and what do you feel of your team?
Twittering Hawks. It was great fun. They made good runs, and actually I was hoping they will get through, but somehow they couldn't manage to bowl well and field well. So
Sansani!
we would have done better, but we have a lot of Sansani in the final match.
Right. So again, before we move on to the finals, we'll just special thanks to few people who have made this possible. First of all, definitely the events team who was behind all this, who made it possible. Ashutosh, who had lots of rounds. Special thanks to Ashutosh. And one special person who was continuously sitting here making sure that the score is correct. That's Nilesh, our scorer. So Nilesh, normally that's the job which is somebody forgets to thank very easily. But all of us, I guess, we want to thank you. And there was never a situation wherein we said that no, that's not the score, that's not what the tally is. So he made sure that he's up to the mark till the last ball. So thanks a lot, Nilesh. Thanks a lot. What do you feel of the tournament?
Really enjoying, and I could not make it into the match, so it was another kind of enjoyment for me. So thanks a lot for believing me. Thank you.
Thanks Nilesh. So that's the spirit. Then obviously the worst job after playing is basically umpiring. There you're just standing in the sun, not playing. You feel like catching, you feel like bowling, you can't do it. But it's a very difficult job as well, because the first person to be blamed if something goes wrong is obviously the umpires. But I guess they did a great job. So can we have Mahesh, Sridhar, Swanan and Abhay on the stage, the four umpires? He was the one man from first match till the last match. So So I guess umpires have the best view of the match, right? So Mahesh, how did you feel? What was it like?
So I think you asked me after the first match itself that who will win. I said I think I gave it to PB11, but they will make the best of it.
So, so it was a well-fought finals, right? A close one, but I guess in the end the best, as I said, may the best team win and probably the best team won. So congratulations to you guys. So, before we start,
and I think it cannot end before thanking Ashish himself.
So can we have the owner of IB Devils on the stage, please? Anand Sharma. So Anand, your team almost made it.
Yeah.
But fair enough. I mean, a well-fought final.
Yeah, I think we were playing well, we were confident, but somehow the batting didn't work, or should I say, like the PB team bowled really well, and I think kudos to them.
Thanks. And the best part was the average age, right? As we spoke, the average age of IB Devils was probably at the max. But they still managed to go to the finals and hard-fought finals. So fantastic effort. So finally, it's the experience that counts. Tendulkar's do matter. That's what it says. So Sridhar, what do you feel of the tournament?
Oh, great. I just took the mic to thank you. It was a brilliant performance and very entertaining, guys. Very fun. And our young commentator here, Mehul.
So can we have Anand, the captain of IB Devils? So Anand, it went almost right till that, right? Somewhere in between when you guys were batting, probably that's where you lost out on.
I think we were doing well. We fielded well, we bowled well, we caught well, and we were batting well till the time I came into bat. I think that's where we lost the plot. I mean, there was one maiden over, the other one was not so good. I think that's where we.
We were expecting captain's inning, but it was not there.
Yeah, I know.
He's not yet finished.
So that's where we lost the plot. We had few other batsmen down the line, but somehow they didn't get enough overs to play, and that's where I think we lost the plot. But I don't take the credit away from the PB team. They played excellently well.
So can we have owners of all the 4 teams on the stage? So we'll start with the presentation ceremony. So we'll have.
पीपी का नहीं लिया
अरे तो प्रेजेंट देना ना और बाबा उनको
They'll be the last ones, right? The best ones and the last ones. Right? So can we have owners of all the 4 teams here along with Anand Desai? Can we have them on stage, please, for the presentation?
वैभव क्लिक कर रहे हैं
So before we give away the trophy.
I think I want Anand to say something because he's the only known customer we had from the Mauritius team. Hopefully we'll have more, but what do you think?
I think it's a great tournament, well organized. I feel more people should participate. I think we can have few more things going on. And maybe we can do it 2 weeks. I think this is a great way to get to know people. A lot of people today which I never met before. So I think it's great. Maybe even from customer side you can get those people involved.
Yes.
Yeah.
There are few people that I know who are fanatic of cricket. Even the parents get that.
And the good news is we do have the stadium, the Venceslas Stadium, in February for 1 day, which we could play on. So maybe we'll use that day to have a bigger.
That would be a good thing to do. Thanks for inviting me.
So we'll start with the individual awards first. So we'll start with the bowler of the tournament. So we'll start doing the honors from this side. So Anand, I'll request you to hand over the trophy to the bowler of the tournament. And any guesses? Any ideas? India! It's Ajinkya from Kings. And his perfect 6 wickets in his cricket. So now for the best batsman, I'll request again Anand to hand over the trophy. So for the best batsman, it's Mandar from
वैभव
Now for the best catch. I guess best catch was, it was unanimous. It was public. Saw the catch. So it is basically Girish.
Yeah.
From rolling out. He had to run backwards to take the catch. So he had to run backwards, and in excitement he almost came to the other side of the road, but somehow managed. And now, before we hand over the trophy, man of the match for the finals. Any guesses who is it? It's Bibin from Kings. He scored the first 25 runs which got you the score, which set the tone for the match.
दवे खुलासा प्लेयर.
Now it's time for Sanjay Naik Sansani Khulasa. There was some confusion happening whether the guys belong to the team or no. So that was the Sansani Khulasa. But yes, finally it turned out that the teams were correct. So nothing against anybody. So these were the individual awards. And now before we hand over the trophy, right, we have the owner of the winning team out here. So Madhu, what do you feel?
It was great. It was good to win. It was an all-round team effort. We were underdogs, basically. We were never given a chance, right? Everybody was talking about okay? But good. It's all-round team effort. We were good on all sides, bowling, batting, fielding. It's excellent teamwork. Thanks to Chintan. Good job, man. You led the group. Thanks to all of you, all the teams. It was a wonderful day.
Thanks to me for the tracksuit.
Yeah, actually that is the good moment. That's the secret. Thank you all. Thanks so much.
Thanks a lot. And now, for the moment, can we call Chintan the captain of the winning team? So Chintan, I know you are eager to take the trophy, but before that, what do you feel? What do you say about your boys? How was the entire thing gone for you?
Totally team effort. Congratulations to the whole team, and the practice we have done over the weekend, couple of weekends, that has paid off. So kudos to the team. Thank you.
I remember, Chintan was here at the boundary line and somebody asked me, aren't you bowling or aren't you fielding? He said, no, the entire team is better than me. So, I prefer them doing it rather than I doing it. So, that's the kind of captain that anybody wants. And now, for the moment, can I ask Sridhar to hand over the winning trophy?